Hi, it's Ethley with another quick little boomer to boomer tutorial. This is the stars in her hair filter on Snap Camera. I know it's a bit much, but I think it's fun. And if you're not familiar with the Snap Camera on Zoom, I did a tutorial on that too. So the point of my boomer to boomer tutorials is that people treat us like we're dumb, but we're not dumb. We just didn't grow up with this stuff. So I'm just going to share with you things that I have figured out. Now, you may have noticed a lot of these little black and white mystery squares all over the place lately. This is called a QR code or a quick response code. They're being used a lot now. Like, for instance, if you go to a restaurant, they don't give you a menu, they just show you this code. I did a whole tutorial about Venmo where I showed you how they're using it to, like pay for your popsicle on the beach, because you're more likely to have a camera with you than you are likely to have money in your pocket. So they just go straight to Venmo. QR stands for quick response. Basically, a QR code is just a shortcut. It takes you to essentially a website. And you used to have to use an app. Like here, you would download an app and use it, but now you can just point your camera at it if you have anything like a modern smartphone. So for instance, here is a random restaurant, and I pointed my phone at it and it opened their menu. I have no idea where this restaurant is. I don't think you should order from it. They probably can't help you, but that's just an example of how it works. It's incredibly handy. And that's it. There's like nothing to it. QR, quick response, point your camera at it, takes you to where you need to be. Ta-da! Lesson over. If you have any questions that you want me to help you with, just go ahead and send a comment and do the whole like and share and subscribe thing so that your friends can find this too. And I look forward to seeing you again with another tutorial. Have a groovy day.